Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Element 4K Smart Xumo TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Element TV. If you have this remote here, your settings button is right here, that little gear icon. If not, we can just go right to the TV. Just click on the home button on your remote. Go to the home screen and top left-hand side, we want to go to that little gear icon right there, highlight it, click on OK on the remote. From here, left pane, we're going to go down to picture and sound. Right there, OK on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to audio settings. So go down to audio settings right there. OK on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices. So let's go down. Bluetooth devices there. OK on the remote. Now it's searching for devices that it's pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these Solo Pros or Solo 4s into pairing mode, okay? So if you look on here, we have one button on this side, okay? So what we want to do is we're going to press and hold that button and then wait for this light here on this side to blink white. It'll be like white, 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 okay? The headphones are currently off. Let me turn it on. I'm going to press and hold that power button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. Hold. Holding. Okay, there we go. Blue, 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 and I just found it on the TV. It said Beats Solo 4 right there. So just click on OK on the remote, and then it highlights pair. Click on OK to pair it. And give it 1 second, and we should see that it's connected. It'll say connected. Voila, Beats Solo 4, it says connected right there. Of course, I'm connected. You can see the volume rockers moving. Anyway, if you guys have any issues connecting or pairing, then just go ahead and factory reset these, okay? The link will be below if you need to reset these, okay?